Hey everybody. Sorry I can't meet with you today. I have some pre-planned appointments scheduled, so I was going to be absent today regardless. So instead of meeting you on Zoom, I'm making the screencast for you to run through what I need you to do today and just a general overview for the week. So here's our basic start screen for the day. We're going to be talking about two different things this week because we're getting toward the end of the unit. Actually, we're pretty much ending the unit. You can see down here that I've got next week, you have a quiz coming up on Wednesday. This quiz is for the last portion of our criminal law unit. It's the trial portion. We took a quiz on the first two parts a while ago, so that'll be that assessment. We're going to do a quiz on this, and then that's it. We're not going to do an overall unit test, just those two items. So, we're going to be talking about corrections and juries this week. So we'll head into Schoology for you. Unit 2, Week 13. And first I'm going to go over what you're doing for your online activities. We'll have to come up with some new ways of naming these things moving forward. But Activity 1A, 1B, 1C. These are three different readings that instead of giving you a short assignment for each of them, they're all dealing with different aspects of a jury and when they are coming to their decision. Very brief readings, all of them. One activity to go for all three. Jury important things. 3 important things about your first article, 2 important things about your second article, and then last one's an opinion question. Make sure you back up your opinion on your third article. Additionally, here's some clips. There's a film. It's called 12 Angry Men. It's a masterpiece. But to get into it, you have to be into old style of filmmaking. It's just sometimes that can be a hurdle. That said, it begins with a judge charging the jury as they go into the deliberation room on a murder trial. The entire action of the film takes place in that jury's deliberation room. We never leave it until a brief scene at the very end of the film. So this is just a couple of clips from this movie in which the jurors are arguing and deliberating. So watch these clips. If you want to seek out any others on YouTube, by all means, go right ahead. And then please comment on this discussion post. You don't even need to respond to another student's response. Just give your initial response. So what you're talking about today is going to deal with the topic of corrections. If you go back to your week, if you go back to your week 12 activity, this was the Zoom PowerPoint that we did. This is talking about all the different sentences a trial can get, or a criminal can get. We're going to be talking specifically about imprisonment with this, the idea of corrections. So in corrections, let's get back to it. It's talking about the correctional system defined, what the different aspects of it are, and then its role in society. What purpose does the correction system serve? There's additionally some trends, some statistics that I've added here, trends in U.S. corrections. So this is like an infographic, all sorts of stats. Just seek through that. This is from the organization called the Sentencing Project, a nonprofit who their goal is to make sure that there are fair sentences being handed down to those who are convicted of crimes. So it is coming from a very specific point of view, obviously. But that doesn't make the stats anything other than the stats they are using for their perspective. So check those out. Then a real simple, quick write. How does the U.S. correctional system work? Just give me a quick rundown on how that process works. Here's some review materials. You can also download it right here. This is, again, for your quiz on Wednesday of next week. Tomorrow, Friday the 4th, we will all be meeting in our schedule that's just for this week only before going into the official Tier 1 schedule, in which I'll see you all on Tuesday. and Friday each week moving forward. If you got any questions, please feel free to go ahead and reach out to me over Schoology or through my work email. Other than that, I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye.